Here's one of those not so fun moments in RV living. Everybody thinks that it's just like one big camping trip, but it's not. That garbage has to be taken up to the dumpster, and this dirty laundry has to be put outside on a side compartment because obviously you only have so much room on an RV. Well, yesterday it was 80 degrees, shorts and t-shirt. Today, yeah, not so quite. Two shirts, jacket, jeans, windy, 15 mile an hour wind, overcast, on and off light showers at the moment with 30 mile an hour gust. And of course, like I said, chores have to be done. Come out here in between the rain and our rig in order to make up for space and to keep things under control. We actually keep it down there, our dirty laundry, and find a dry spot to set it. Open her up and gotta slip the laundry in there. Let me put my camera down while I do this. Hopefully it'll stay there and not fall, but it's part of living in an RV. The glamorous life that they don't bother to show you on those other YouTube channels and whatnot, and anywhere else for that matter. Yeah, it's nice to be able to get around, go to different places and all, but your everyday living chores, well, that takes a lot more creativity. This way, obviously, you know, when you're living in a house, it's a different story in size. You can get away with the hamper in the bathroom and the smell not really traveling, but in 235 square feet of spacing, you can't do that. So you have to get creative. And for us, this works out nicely. Back in it goes. Other storage items. Close her down. Obviously, it's an older rig, so not only you keep it locked for general purposes, but it also keeps it from blowing open. Now, unfortunately, the next task is going to go bring the garbage up. Okay, I know it's not much garbage, but the thing is, it's 235 square feet inside this RV, and unlike a home, the smell travels. And while you're sitting in here the next day, you don't really need to smell yesterday's dinner that's in the bag. It's just one of those things you just have to take care of on a regular basis. The other thing you want to worry about too is when you have 15 mile an hour winds and 30 mile an hour gust is when you open this door. You want to hang on, because many times it'll get away from you and slam right into the side of the RV. Real pain in the ass, but it always seems to be too, the wind's blowing in that direction to force the door open. Well, I'm going to cut through this open campground here because I really don't have to go all the way around. But way out there behind that shed, I have to go bring the garbage. Turn it into the wind so you can hear it. But it's blowing right along right now. It's a steady 15 mile an hour wind. And every once in a while you get a gust. Head on up this way through the playground. See that right there? Fire ant. Coming straight. Never touch a fire ant now. And as you can see, here they come. See them? You let one of those guys get on top of you, and you get bit like you've never bit before. They'll keep biting you until you kill them. They're nasty. And they're all over. Especially anywhere in the south, you'll see them. They're all over the place. Want to be curious? Let one get on your skin. You'll regret it, trust me. Yep. Dead ahead. Garbage. It was 80 degrees yesterday. And today, the box heater is on. Crazy. And yes, when the temperature is this crazy, RVs do collect moisture, as you can see on the windshield. It just happens. There's nothing you can do about it.